Welcome back to the channel. So today I'll be changing the oil on my 2012 Ram 1500. This one has a 5.7 liter V8 Hemi. And as per the manufacturer, I'll be using 5W20. So you just need some basic tools to change the oil on your truck. Make sure you've got enough oil. This Ram 1500 is 5.7 liter will take 7 quarts of oil filter. You're going to need a drain pan with a funnel. You're going to need a 13 millimeter socket. A tool to remove your oil filter. I personally think a strap type wrench works best on this vehicle just due to limited access around the filter. Safety goggles, gloves, and some rags. First thing you want to do is remove your oil filler cap. That way it will drain much easier. So here's the drain plug. You're going to need a 13 millimeter socket. I recommend using a socket instead of an open-ended wrench because you're more likely to round those out if you use that, so make sure you use a socket. Here we go. I've let it drain for about 25 minutes, so I'm happy with that. I'm going to go ahead and put this drain plug back on. Torque it to 25 foot-pounds. The most difficult part of changing the oil on this vehicle is the oil filter, just because there isn't a whole lot of room around that filter. So I find the tool that works best is a strap type of ratchet like this. Basically, I'm just going to wrap it around the filter. Now that I've got the strap around the filter, I can just go ahead and turn it. There we go. I just want to turn it enough so that I can remove it by hand, so I think that's good. Okay, I've got the oil filter removed. Just gonna go ahead, make sure it's all clean and that the seal is not left behind. Before you install your new filter, go ahead and fill it up. And go ahead and put some oil on the seal. Go ahead and tighten as much as you can by hand. Okay, now we're ready to go in and add our 7 quarts of oil. Let's check the level. It's a little hard to tell with fresh oil. That is in the safe zone right there. So I think we're good. I'm going to recheck the oil level. Oil is right about to there, so I'm going to add a little bit more. In my opinion, that looks like it's perfectly topped up with oil. Last thing I need to do is reset the oil change reminder. In order to do that, put the ignition to run and step on the gas 3 times. 1, 2, 3. And here's the old disgusting oil. Finally, check underneath for any leaks, and so far it looks good. And that's a wrap.